I've gathered you all here today for pain.
Yeah!
You're all the most strongest, hateful ninjas in all the lands. Conan, Itachi, Kisame, whoever the fuck you are, Didaria, that guy, George Bush,
Nigger babies.
Michael Jackson's ghost. Oh, hi, is that foreshadowing? Hunky Monkey. All of us hate niggas. And we have the power to do something about it. Especially you, George Bush. We've all gathered here for one reason. To fuck shit up.
Yeah!
Today we embark on a simple mission to devise pain to the world. First, we will start by capturing the legendary one-tailed Tanuki. Then, the mystical two-tailed cat. And thirdly, our power...
Wait, what part of that is simple?
Simple. First off, who the fuck said you could interrupt my monologue?
Hold the fuck up. I'm on the same evil ass diabolical shit as you on, nigga. Fuck you talking about?
Fuck nigga, don't ever say you on the same shit I'm on. You've never felt true pain, true heartache, a flurry of sadness and sorrows from your one true love, who's become so estranged in a world so corrupted.
First off, nigga, fuck love. Fuck these bitches. We some evil ass niggas.
That's what I'm saying.
Fuck these hoes.
Like I was saying, weak nigga. Every part of this is simple to a ninja like me. Fuck a tail beast, I'm that nigga. That's how the fuck I see it. That's how the fuck it is. ABC, 1, 2, 3, shit not even hard. Shit is fucking simple.
Simple? Sound like you simply want us to get our ass ate the fuck up by a blue eyes white dragon out here and shit.
Blue Eye White Jack. Nigga. First off, nigga, you came in here with a mask and you still ugly. Secondly, I don't give a fuck if it was a level 100 shiny Arceus. If I want that bitch slipped, it's get it slipped.
Paint eyes, octopus.
Fucking Christ, Kisame, not right now.
I like to put the pain in my eyes.
Holy fuck, I hate retarded people.
Hold the fuck up. You're accepting mentally challenged people, but you questioning me? The fuck going on here?
Yeah, this sucks.
Kisame's only here because he's too retarded to know he shouldn't be that fucking strong. His dumb, stupid, fucking retard strength is a powerful fucking asset or whatever. Plus he throws sharks. Kisame, I swear to fucking Christ, if you keep talking, I will change your meds and have you banging your head against the wall for 3 fucking hours.
Bruh, I know we're on some evil ass shit, but that shit was uncalled for.
Ooh, you had to know it. Stupid ass. I'll really stand on this pain shit. That includes minor inconveniences and uncalled for, unwarranted, unwanted interactions.
Bro, we are all right the fuck here. Why the fuck are you yelling?
It is kind of loud.
I ain't gonna lie, the motherfucking echo in here. It was pretty loud. Tearing my motherfucking eardrums up.
Plus his breath kicking. Oh, okay. I guess I was the only one who didn't get the fucking memo that we all Avengers assembled in the cave to not follow fucking orders. Fuck that. Everybody forgot who the fuck P-A-I to the motherfucking N was around this bitch. And I'm finna show you everything blowing the fuck up.
This nigga always talking about blowing some shit up. And I ain't never seen this nigga blow some shit up.
I mean, I wasn't gonna say nothing.
I'll say it.
But I mean, we really see what you fucking with.
What your jutsu like?
We really see what you fucking with.
Are you even evil for real?
Nah, facts. If you not evil for real, nigga, just say that shit.
Nigga out here with facial piercings in a cave, talk about his fucking girl left him.
This nigga over here sad, acting like he mad.
About a bitch too.
Mm-hmm.
That's why I only fuck with little boys.
Woo.
Oh, what the fuck?
Shakes.
Weird ass nigga. I know we all criminals and shit, but that's really fucking evil.
Ooh, yeah, he might be the most evil out of all of us.
I knew it would be funny later. Come on.
I don't know about funny, but that shit was fucking evil. Hey, wait, why Payne just standing there staring at her like that? Payne, say.
Bitch, you fucking that strong ass nigga from Lee Village.
Nah, he fucking me.
What, bitch?
He fucking my guts all the way up.
Bitch, I'ma kill you.
He using his shadow clones and running trains on me.
Damn, that's a road.
Oh, you dirty bitch.
You all talk pain. You ain't gonna do shit.
Bitch, I will blow that nigga village up.
No, you won't.
Yes, I will.
No, you won't.
Yes, I will.
No, you won't.
You all talk pain. You ain't gonna do shit.
The fuck?
Is that right? You know what? Meeting adjourned. You fuck niggas sit tight. I'll be right back. Since I'm all talk.
How he opening the cave?
Yeah, I ain't seen no hand jutsu or nothing.
Pussy, huh? Got something for y'all weak ass.
And that was the video. I hope you had as much fun watching it as we did making it, cause we had buku fun making that bitch. Now listen, I know what y'all thinking. This nigga done pop back up in our lives just to disappear again. But listen, let me tell you, that's not true. I'm really back on here and I'm really here to stay. I'm here for us. You feel me? It's me and you, I'm here for us. So yeah, look, expect more hybrid kill shit coming out. Expect more content. I got some shit coming out. You know, I got some more videos and some more stuff that I'll put out whenever it's out. You feel me? Stop asking questions. Yeah.
Sharks.